The king of the snakes? The one and only king cobra. This is a snake that rules the wild with its deadly poison, and it's also one of the longest venomous snakes in the world. There are many things to know about this reptile, but here we will talk about some facts that you probably didn't know before. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Its name. Although it's called the king cobra, it's not actually a cobra at all. Despite being called the king cobra, this magnificent creature is actually a member of the family of Asian cobras. It gets its name from its ability to kill prey with a single bite, something that only cobras can do. King cobra is the only species of its genus. Number 9, it's an egg layer. Even though most snakes give birth to live babies, which makes them viviparous, the king cobra lays eggs, which makes it oviparous. Most of the time, female king cobras lay between 20 and 30 eggs per year, but there are records of one laying 60. They usually lay their eggs in termite nests or under the roots of trees. Being so huge, the eggs need around 3 months to develop before hatching. Once they do, the little snakes leave the nest in search of food and adventure. Number 8. Its diet. King cobras aren't picky eaters. In fact, they'll eat almost anything that moves. Their diet consists mainly of rodents, birds, and their eggs, as well as other snakes. But they've also been known to eat monkeys, lizards, frogs, fish, slow worms, and even hedgehogs. There have been instances of king cobras attacking humans if they feel threatened or provoked, but those are rare. Number 7, its venom. When it comes to the venom of snakes, there's no such thing as more or less dangerous. They're all equally lethal. However, some contain more toxins than others. The king cobra is one of the snakes with more toxic venom. A single dose contains enough neurotoxins to kill 400 people or 20 elephants. Its venom is so powerful that it can paralyze its victim in just 20 minutes. Number 6, its size. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. On average, they measure between 10 and 16 feet long, although there are records of one reaching 18 feet, 9 inches. These giants weigh between 6 and 10 pounds, sometimes more. They can be found in forests, grasslands, and swamps throughout South and Southeast Asia, as well as in the southern part of China and India. Number 5, its behavior. The king cobra is an aggressive snake. If it feels threatened or cornered, it will attack anything that moves. They're also known for being very territorial and will defend their space from intruders. As they're so huge and fast, they can easily overpower their prey and swallow it whole. They can move both in water and on land, although they prefer to stay on dry land. Number 4, its lifespan. How long do these creatures live? Like most snakes, they can live between 15 and 20 years. But there are many factors that can affect their lifespan, such as habitat, climate, and diet. In captivity, with proper care, they can live longer. Number 3, its defense mechanism. Even though the king cobra has plenty of enemies, mainly bigger snakes, birds of prey, and humans, it has a few ways to defend itself. One of them is its venom, which can kill any predator in minutes. Another one is its size and strength. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world, and it can use its size to its advantage when fighting off predators. Finally, they can also rely on their speed. They may not be the fastest snakes, but they're definitely quick enough to escape most predators. Number 2, its importance to humans. King cobras play an important role in human culture. They're often seen as symbols of power, strength, and wisdom. In some cultures, they're revered as sacred animals. However, in recent years, their numbers have declined due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Number 1, its beauty. Last but not least, we must talk about the beauty of the king cobra. These creatures are truly magnificent and deserve to be admired from afar. Their scales are made up of tiny overlapping plates that are smooth to the touch. Their eyes are mesmerizing, and their fangs are truly terrifying. Well, folks, that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed learning about one of the most fearsome snakes in the world. The king cobra is a truly amazing creature, and we're grateful to have it gracing our planet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.